There are foods you think are harmless, even healthy. But the truth? Some of them are slowly hijacking your metabolism, wrecking your gut, and silently aging you from the inside out. And whatever you do, don't skip the last one, because it's something you've probably been eating for years, thinking it was healthy. You've been tricked, and once you see the truth, you'll never look at it the same way again. Here are the top 7 foods you need to stop eating right now. Number 1, vegetable oils. These oils are everywhere: canola oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil. They're in sauces, frozen foods, even so-called healthy snacks. Make sure you check ingredient lists and stay away from these because they're loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, and too much of them creates chronic inflammation in your body. Inflammation is the root of nearly every major disease: heart disease, arthritis, even depression. Switch to olive oil, avocado oil, or grass-fed butter. Number 2, artificial sweetener. Marketed as zero-calorie diet miracles. But here's the truth. They confuse your brain, disrupt your gut bacteria, and may actually cause you to crave more sugar. One study even showed they can increase insulin resistance, the very thing they're supposed to prevent. If you want sweet, go natural: raw honey, monk fruit, or just whole fruit. Number 3, breakfast cereal. Even the ones with whole grains and heart healthy on the box, they're mostly processed carbs loaded with sugar and low-quality grain. The result? A blood sugar spike and crash, leaving you tired, foggy, and hungrier than before. Try a high-protein breakfast instead, like eggs, oats, or Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Number 4, processed meats. They may be tasty, but processed meats are filled with nitrates, preservatives, and sodium. Long-term, they've been linked to increased risk of colon cancer, heart disease, and even type 2 diabetes. If you're going to eat meat, go fresh and organic. Avoid anything vacuum-packed in plastic with an ingredient list longer than a paragraph. Number 5, low-fat packaged foods. Here's the dirty secret. When food companies remove fat, they add sugar, gums, and chemicals to make it taste good again. Your body needs healthy fats to absorb nutrients, support hormones, and keep your brain sharp. Those low-fat yogurts and fat-free snacks, they're metabolic traps. Choose full-fat, real foods instead. Number 6, refined white bread. It may feel harmless, but refined white bread is basically blood sugar jet fuel. Stripped of fiber and nutrients, it digests fast, spikes your insulin, and leaves you hungry again within an hour. Swap it for sourdough, something with real fiber and substance. Number 7, granola bars. They look healthy, they sound healthy, but most granola bars are nothing more than glorified candy bars in disguise. Packed with added sugars, seed oils, and preservatives, they spike your blood sugar and crash your energy just like a Snickers would. Even the ones with natural on the label are often loaded with sucralose, brown rice syrup, or fruit juice concentrate, all fancy names for sugar. If you're looking for a real snack, grab a handful of raw nuts, a boiled egg, or Greek yogurt with no added sugar. So what do these 7 foods have in common? They've been normalized. They're in your pantry, your grocery cart, even your healthy meal plan. But the more you eat them, the more your body pays the price, with fatigue, inflammation, weight gain, and worse. Eliminating them could be the single most powerful upgrade you make this year. Cut them out. Feel the difference. Reclaim your energy. Your future self will thank you.